guys, in this video I will share with you how to hide members and WhatsApp group. Alright, begin first all guys, open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure it's updated and last version available. After that you will be sent the home page of your account and where you available chats, and will present here top plus icon top right corner and select on screen create group. After that added member and save top on the group banner at the top, select add group and new community and features. You will be asked create a new community name and so on, and make sure added member and new community and not the group. And if you do so, the number and name of the community group will be hidden from everyone except admin. I hope guys this video helpful for you, and consider subscribing and giving the like button and share this video for more content guys. Thanks again for watching. See you on another video.